My beautiful kings and queens. Today's video is about your next big opportunity coming towards you. The next big opportunity coming towards you. We will see from where this big opportunity is coming and who is offering these big opportunities to you. So this would be a next big opportunity which is coming towards you, and that is there are three options, and this is actually rose quartz heart, this is ruby joysite heart, and this is orange carnelian heart. So you have 10 seconds to choose one of the option, and we will see next big opportunity, whether it is in marriage, whether it is in love relationship, or whether it is in job, what opportunity you are getting. So opportunity could be anything, but what would be your next big opportunity, or whether it is in business. So we will see them and we will see what is your reading. So quickly choose one among them and we will start your reading. So hopefully you choose one, and this is for those who choose heart. Okay, so we will see what is next big opportunity coming towards you, and from where it is coming, who is giving you this opportunity. Okay, so the first card is Three of Pentacles. The first card which is coming is Three of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles, and then the second card is Queen of Pentacles, and the third card is the Alchemist, and the fourth card is Two of Cups. So, and the fifth card is the Sun card, and we will see the sixth card is Two of Swords. Okay, so that's your next big opportunity. So here we will first see that what opportunity you are getting first, and then we will see that what exactly that opportunity is about and how you are getting that opportunity. Get over of yourself. Okay, so you could be a self-obsessed person, I'm guessing, or probably not, but probably you are worried too much. Speak with love and look forward. Okay, so starting off, we are seeing that you are getting two opportunities here. One is you would be starting a new business venture with some of your colleague, with one of your colleague or some of your colleagues in a group, or you will be going for a MLM or network management or network marketing business. You would try your luck there, or you will be together, you and your couple of friends will start some business. So, and that business could be something related with creativity. You are already planning for it. You would be starting some business related creativity, or the field of financial. So that would be either financial field business or creativity. So financial field business means it could be a share market, stock exchange, or mutual fund business. It could be insurance business too. And these are the two cards which is coming, like sorrow and the adventure. So you were in pain and sorrow for a long time. That is, I would say that I just spoke about the first opportunity. The second opportunity is like next big opportunity is someone is coming in your life who will marry you. So if you are unmarried, so someone is coming in your life, some new person is coming in your life. If you are married, then I would say that someone new is coming, and they probably give you a better opportunity in life to being a friend or be in a romantic relationship. So That can be the thing. But if you are unmarried, definitely some romantic new love connection is coming in your life, and you probably will marry that person. Let's see what archangels has to say. Archangel Metatron is saying determination and self control, career advancement, acknowledgement of success by others. So this is where I would say that your friends and you guys together will come together, will start doing some venture, some new business venture, and you both will be you guys will be successful. You both will be like, you all together will start something and you would be successful. It could be a network marketing business or MLM business, or it could be together, because MLM is such type of business where, together 3 4 people coming together and they are doing something. It could be something like related with business or financial business, something like, you both 3 4 guys started a chartered accountancy firm, or a chartered firm, or a law firm, or something like that, or a insurance firm, or share market related, or stock exchange mutual fund related firm, or some company, something like that. Or it could be something related with creativity, like makeup artist, or a beauty parlor, or a gym, or something like that. You both will start, you all together, it would be like all together with friends, not alone. And there would be another person who is coming as a new love interest, and that person definitely a brand new person. Nobody is coming back from, nobody is coming back from your past, but this person would be very understanding. They will understand you, they will acknowledge you for everything, and they would be with you, they would be very supportive towards you. So you are going through a battle. I am getting this message that you are going through a competition, a battle, currently a struggle time. Your creativity positively impacts the world. It's ripe with beauty and innovation. Everyone benefits from your art, especially you get to know your talented inner muse, nurture your vision. Your unique gifts are meant to be shared. Wow. So there is something which is, related creativity, and which is basically related creativity, and you are going to do something related creativity. So probably all together, you both you and your friends will start a YouTube channel, or it could be some salon, beauty parlor, or something like some makeup artist coaching classes or cooking classes. So all together, you guys, like you and your friends, will start this business, and you would be successful into that. And the second thing, a best person is coming for you. Like, this person would be romantic, they would understand you, and they would also marry you. And this marriage, I'm seeing that somewhere near 2022, September October, you will get married with this person. It's like that you guys are being single for quite a long time now, and those relationship when you were in before, uh, those were not that good, that great. You have gone through lots of heartbreak, lots of sadness and sorrow, and you tried a lot, but those relationships were not successful. But now I would say that it is not technically, I won't say that it is an opportunity, but definitely, of course, you are getting something big, a blessing of the air. So probably you guys are air sign, like Aries, Leo, and Saggy. and a blessing of lift sadness, a blessing of lift sadness. Whatever the sadness you were going through, whatever it was, it has passed. A blessing of creativity. Again, this creativity card is coming. So you both are max, you guys are from creative field, or you are planning to do something related creativity, definitely something related to creativity. So what I'm seeing here, you are getting two opportunities. One is one is related, is your business, some creative business, something related with financial business, or something related with something related insurance business, something like that. Some business you are starting with your friends or your colleagues, ex-colleagues, it could be anyone. You are starting together, like not a single person business. And then second thing which I'm getting here, some messages like you are getting a brand new person in your life who would be really a romantic, understanding, protective person and supportive person. And probably you will marry this person on month of 2022 August September. So because this is a timeless video, so whichever the day you are seeing this video, after like 1.5 years time, you, there are chances that you marry this person. This person is entering in your life very quick, like within 2 to 3 months. So probably 2021 November they are coming, entering in your life, or September. And by September, November, September, October 2022 you will marry. You have to just count for timeless, those who are watching after 2022 or 2021 November, December, you just have to count 1.5 years from the particular day you are watching this video. And definitely I'm seeing that you are starting your new venture. So let's see that when are you starting your new business venture. What is the time frame? Success that comes from decision, dedication and self-discipline, celebrating your accomplishment, being in the spotlight. Okay, so what I would say, that you are, when you will do something related creativity, probably you will find some sponsor or some successful project which will bring you to spotlight. So probably you would become a great actor or great singer or dancer. So creative field means that also could be possible. Or you become a successful YouTuber. So there are possibilities like that. But the first move is most important thing, and let's see when you will take the first move. So I am seeing that you are going to take this first move on month of December after 10th of December, or 7th of December, after 7th of December to between March 20th. You would be taking these steps towards starting a new business venture. And your probably your business could also related with garments, because I'm seeing here the fashion designer, something, some messages I'm getting that fashion designers are a shoe designer or a leather designer, something like that. Designing field also related to some work related designing field. Or also you could be a creative field, could be related with some NGO or child, because I'm getting such type of messages. It could be with orphan children or NGO, some work you will do with them, and same time you will also get some business prospect over there. You can actually a good competition, you are a good competition into the market for your existing whatever, whoever are existing in the market in the same field, and you would definitely give them a tough competition. I'm getting this message, and you would be really doing good from the beginning itself. So that is one good thing. You guys are, your date of birth could be number 19, 1 or 10, and number 30 and 12, 21 and 3, number 26, 8 and 17, and number 7, 25 and 16. It could be your date of birth. Each person in your life is there for a reason, and that reason always has something to do with love. So every person comes in your life, that is your suggestion card, for a particular reason, and that person got something to do with your love. So definitely we are talking about your love relationship, so they are coming for a reason. So let's see what could be the reason. They are soulmate, they are karmic, they, what would be the reason? But definitely I am getting some message that you will marry this person who is coming. The new love is coming in your life. Someone like holding off their feelings. I'm not sure who is that. Some Nisha, Margaret, Margaret or Martha or Martin, something like M and A and R is there in your name. The magician card, okay, and then it is six of swords, okay, four of swords, oh, two of pentacles, okay, and queen of pentacles, the chariot. Okay, so what I am seeing, that this person who is your love interest coming in your life, definitely he or she gone through a bad phase of life, like a something happened in their life which is, which suppose like a, which is a bad phase, literally a struggle time they have gone through. So I'm seeing this person is quite a kind hearted person, well stable person, but he or she has gone through a bad phase of life, like probably there were a divorce, or they separated from their first wife or something like that, and or first spouse, like husband, and now they are looking for someone who can actually take care of them, so they will understand you well. So but they would definitely give you commitment, because there is a chariot card, here is the chariot card, and this is the queen of pentacles. So queen of pentacles has they don't hang people, they don't have such nature that they will hang people, but they definitely take decision for others. So definitely I will say they will take decision for you. I'm getting some names later, like your name probably have, or their name will have these three letters, like S, K, L, and VIO, or VIE, something like that. That is there, that is, there is a possibilities. And I you take some more card about your love opportunity which is coming in your life. The distorted feminine, oh, and the distorted masculine. So you both are feminine, divine feminine, and divine masculine, but somehow you lost your track. So I am seeing that, like you both are divine feminine and divine masculine, but you guys lost your track, somehow some way you lost your track, and you are not in spirituality now. And somehow when you meet with this person, and that person will meet with you, like the particular person coming in your life, you both will go into the feminine and the divine masculine energy again. I mean to say the spirituality will again gain the spiritual things. So which is a very good thing, which is a uh, very good messages, which I can say that you are gaining back your spiritual growth or spirituality through this person. So that is all about this reading. We will quickly move to the another reading. Let's see who has who choose the other one. Okay, so now the second reading, which is for Ruby Joy Side Heart. Those who choose Ruby Joy Side Heart, we will be doing reading for them. Let's see what is the next big opportunity coming in your life. So the first card is King of Wands, and the next card is Seven of Wands, King of Wands, Seven of Wands, and Five of Wands, and this is Ace of Wands, and this one is Five of Cups and Four of Cups. Oh, you are still struggling. Basically, you are struggling a lot, and I think since last July July 2020 you are struggling, because this is a timeless video. So whichever the year you are watching this video, that year, particular month of June, July, or a previous year June, July, you are struggling. Since then you are struggling a lot, and we will see what is next, what opportunity you are getting in life. We'll see that. Okay, so let go, walk away from the situation is in order to resolve it. Don't try to resolve your situation. Probably this we are talking about your love relationship. So don't try to resolve that situation. Just walk away. The answer that you are seeking involves going to school. So probably this big opportunity is something related with your PhD or your masters. You are going to school, or you are going to study. You heal, inspire, teach, and entertain with the words you write. Okay, so you are going to become a writer eventually. So that is a big opportunity for you, and that is what it is coming. And respect to that, you will be actually joining a school. So that means probably you will be completing your master's, bachelor's, or associate degree, or PhD degree. So you are soon you are going to study, or probably related with that same field you will go for some certification or some courses, which is a good thing. And what is the card from universe? The next time someone gives you a compliment, says thank you, don't shrug it off, play it down, or reject the gift. You will be denying yourself and the giver the opportunity to share in a moment of gratitude and love. Exercise your self-esteem and soak it in superstar. Think of compliments as little confidence building soul vitamins. You are worthy of praise. You are worthy of praise. That means you are really a good person, and people actually accept that, and you don't accept these things. So that is a big major problem. Like, universe actually know that you are a kind-hearted good person, you look good, you look beautiful, but you think that I have something, I'm lacking in something. So that confidence you don't have, so you have to gain that confidence. And say yes to some opportunity which is coming towards you. Probably writing a book, or becoming an editor of some magazine or something will come up soon. Share your gifts. So what is your gift? Share your gifts. What is your gifts? And stop. Don't jump into the pit. Stop there. So let's see what is your gift. Basically, what gift they are talking about. Share your gifts. That means share with the world, whichever the gift you are given from heaven, or given while by birth. So that gift we are talking about. So let's see what gift it is. Okay, so the gift is justice, fight for the justice and equality, ruling made in your favor, don't give up. So probably you would be a person whose voice would be like go too high for a community, particular community, and you will be that gift we are talking about. So you will be sharing that gift. So you, whatever the books you will be writing, or whatever the magazine, or whichever the places you will be writing, even you write a blog, that would be something like related to justice to few people. So that is a real good life path. So probably you are also a spiritual person. Strength and grace through kindness, self confidence, and forgiveness. I told you already, I told you guys that you don't have that confidence level, otherwise like you could have done many things by now, but you are lacking in confidence. So that opportunity is coming towards you. So this opportunity is what like beauty. Okay, so you are also a beautiful person, and but you don't accept it. Patience, you don't have patience, so you need to learn how to keep patience. So these two things are much more important for you to learning to have patience. And you are beautiful, you need to understand that you have to keep it like you are. You should be confident enough to know that you are beautiful, and you can actually, you are a beauty with brain. So definitely you are one person who can do. Inner child, you also need a inner child healing. Something happened in your childhood for which you lost that confidence in you. Say what you mean. So sometimes you get very irritated and to tell few people to get out from your life, but you don't mean it. So that is something related with anger issues which you have to let go. So this card I can actually connect now. So here they are saying that let go, and here it is like say what you mean. That means when you are angry you say anything and everything, and actually you don't mean it. So that is also required. But the big opportunity is what, like the big opportunity is to get a opportunity to write something, and write for those people who are not getting justice. So probably for a community, a particular community, probably for a community of people, or probably for those who are like for a particular certain special categories, people who have gone through trauma. So you would be writing for them. It won't be a easy task, because you are not going to write some simple day-to-day basis blogs where you would be telling, hey, you know, I wake up and I ate this food and or something like that. But it is going to be really tough, because you are going to write a community page, a community, write for a particular community's justice, or some special people justice. So the lighthouse card has come. And then the resolve. Okay, so you need to also respect to write for your self or others. Regardless whatever you write, you need to also actually resolve your issues, your own. You yourself has some kind of issues which you actually need to resolve. But definitely I am seeing that this issues is like with the inner child. Something happened in past, that is in your, when you are a child, and that thing actually, because of that trauma, you lost your confidence. So to regain that confidence, you actually need to resolve it. How to resolve it? You need to take a healing session from channel, chakra balancing, negative cord cutting, karmic cord cutting. It will go away slowly, gradually it will go away. Now this is the big opportunity you are getting. You will get some offer to write, or you will have these things in mind. You will start your own blog, and trust me, you will become a superstar within few years or few days. And not only, it is not only about becoming a superstar, it is also fight. You would be fighting for other people. And the other big opportunity which is coming in your way, that is going to a school. So that school is like, you know, you can probably complete your associate degree, bachelor's degree, master's degree, or something like PhD, or something related, that you will be doing something like, or some thesis you have to write. So you will complete that too. You have struggled a lot in your life. You saw those people who have done, like who have gone through mental trauma, so you understand them well, and you would be the voice for them, you will be writing for them, and you will also become famous. Eventually you will also become famous, but two three things are required where you need to work on. One is patience, you don't have patience, you don't have confidence, and the third thing is you have to resolve this inner child issues, like childhood something happened, some trauma is there, so that you need to heal. Rest, this is what it is. And I would take at the end, I will take one suggestion card from angels, that what angels is trying to tell you, and then we will close this reading. I am seeing that you guys are in Sun, Moon, Rising, Libra, Aquarius, and Gemini energy, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius energy. And I would say that your date of birth could be 1723, number 11, number 15, number 9 and 18, number 16, and number 5, number 3. Your name would have letters like V and F and S and T, N and Y and A and L, U, something like that. And 10 of Michael's, the situation has ended, you are finally free, new opportunities for happiness will now follow, put the past behind, put the past behind. So that is your message. 3 of Ariel, Archangel Ariel is saying do what you love, a time of great personal growth in your career or artistic endeavor. Working with others is a cooperative manner, you need to work with others in a cooperative manner. So whatever you are wishing for, if you wish to become a writer, which we are seeing here, so you can write books, or you can write novels, or you can write blogs, um, or you can actually become a speaker too, you can actually speak about them, or you can actually start a YouTube channel about speaking or for justice of certain people. So I am seeing that, so that is what it is about. So your suggestion cards are like put your past behind, and work with others, and just make your career grow, and in an artistic endeavor, that means in a creative field or writing field or communication field. So that is all about it. Let's get into the other reading. Who chose orange heart? So whoever choose this orange carnelian heart, for them, okay, so the first card is Queen of Swords. You can see the Queen of Swords, and the second card is what, like Queen of Chalices. So you are very emotional person, and you are heartbroken too. And this is Six of Wands, success card, victory card, and definitely Ace of Chalices. And then the Devil card, and the Empress's card. I would say, okay, Eight of Pentacles. I think you were trying for this for a long, long time. And Justice card. Okay, so I would say that this new big opportunities, technically, this is not an opportunity, but this big opportunity is something related with your love life and your marriage. So you are probably going to get married. So that is what it is. You are going to get married, or you are going to get a new love connection who will be loving you, who will marry you, something like that. Something would happen like that. So let's see what is this opportunity is. So this new opportunity is something related with your love relationship, marriage, nothing to do with your career, I believe. Yes, shrinking ship. Yes, you were heartbroken, you were sad, waver of words, and those who were with you, they were actually not they are technically not with you, but like, they never gave you commitment. They all they did, like, took everything from you. So took everything away from you, but they were accepting the quest. Okay. So they were technically not with you. Those who thought like they are with you, they were not with you. So, and they broke your heart, they left you alone. So something like this happened with you already. So you were thinking that you will never find you will never find a new person in your life, but this is spiritual union. Oh my god, either you guys are twin flame, twin soul, or you guys are spiritual soulmate, or higher soul, higher self soulmate. So you are going to find out someone new. That person, I'll tell you what would be victory and success. Okay, so the person who is coming in your life, that person would be um definitely very good looking and charming personality. Probably they are someone who will be, whenever they speak, other person feel, oh my god, with whom I'm speaking, like I'm getting so much into this person, and love begins. So it would even happen with you. They are such a charming person, and this person would definitely take you to a spiritual path when they enter, because eventually I'm seeing that they will enter in your life, and they would not be that serious about you. Initially it would be only a romantic relationship or romantic love relationship, but slowly, gradually, when you will meet with each other, we will start speaking with each other for long days, long time, and they will end up with you, end up marrying you. Emotional withdrawal. So you were emotionally withdraw from this universe or from world, because you thought that there is nobody who can come in your life and who can change your this pattern of heartbreaking. So you have a pattern, like you accept someone, you go for someone, and then the other person says yes. Initially they like you, they love you, and then finally they say, no, you are not the right person for me, and they dump you. um, that has happened many times, like you are dumped by the person whom you love. And here is again the true love card. So but this is not going to happen now. What I'm seeing, like the garden. So this is, I'm feeling the Garden of Eden, like this is a heaven garden. So you both are made in heaven, and this is luminosity's card. So definitely I am feeling that the person who is entering in your life, they are coming as a spiritual connection of yours, and they are definitely also into spirituality. They will take you into the spiritual path, and this relationship you will get success. So how about this person? This person would be charming personality, good looking man or woman, very attractive. When they speak, people would be like, oh wow, what they're speaking. Like, they would be always trying to, anybody they speak with, they get attracted towards this man or woman. And definitely they wear very vibrant colors dresses, like they would be wearing like I mean to say vibrant colors. Oh my god, what is happening with me? Vibrant colors, clothes, like something like yellow and bright yellow, bright purple, bright green, or bright blue. So this would be their favorite colors. And also uh, also true bright red color, or if they are women, like they would be wearing a true bright red color lipstick. So that would be like their favorite color of lipstick. They choose such type of lipstick to wear. And they also like all the jewelries, probably even a men, they probably wearing lots of like watches. There are some men, they would be wearing two watches. So they could be such person that they are wearing they would be wearing something like very expensive watches, or they are wearing like expensive clothes, branded clothes, something like that. Women means they would be wearing expensive jewelries. So they are such type of person. So I'm just trying to tell you what would be their appearance, physical appearance, or when you will meet. So when we will meet, you will know who is that. You can easily recognize them. But inner heart, they are a spiritual person. They will take you to a path of spirituality, but there are some karmas to balance. So you would definitely have to balance that karma, and then only you would be able to marry them. So you have to try hard, put some effort into this relationship, then only you can marry this person. But they would definitely take you to the spiritual path, and you would be like you would fall for them, and you would be like, oh my god, this is such a beautiful relationship. You will enjoy that relationship, you will have fun in that relationship. Whatever the fun lost in your life, you used to think that they to never come back, you will actually, being in that relationship, you will enjoy every day, every moment. So that would be such type of opportunities coming in your life. Technically this is not an opportunity, but definitely I would say this looks like a great opportunity to me. And I'll say that definitely this is a great things coming up in your life. So when we will see that when this person is entering in your life, and when there is a chance that you will marry them. So let's see. Winter, so they would be coming in winter season, probably December, January and February. And you will end up marrying them. Okay, there is a card which says the illusion of being trapped plays too much importance on material items, getting caught up into the fear and worry. So don't worry when they come up and they ask you for, or spring. Okay, so when they come and ask you for date, so don't worry about much things like, oh, he or she wears lots of jewelries, or lots of branded clothes, or branded watches, sunglasses. I don't have those. So don't think like that. Just go ahead with them, or going to a big restaurant, or big restaurant, or somewhere like, somewhere, some spaces where you will be some places where you will be dining out. So that would be quite expensive. So you will think, no, 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 this person is not right for me. Don't think like that. Don't question yourself. Whatever universe is giving, just take it, accept it. And that is what universe is giving you a suggestion here. It is showing a 9 of winter and 10 of springs cards has come. So you are going to meet this person in winter, this winter, like December, January and February. So whichever the year you are watching this video, even after 2021-22, the winter season would be the one when you will meet them, and spring season will be the season when you will marry them. So looks like you'll marry them something like April, May, June 2022 or 2023. So that would be the situation. So what is the final card says? Your purpose has nothing to do with how you make a living. That is your vacation, mission or inspired passion, all worthy, but your purposes is much simpler and bigger. Your purpose is joy. It's about discovering, nurturing and celebrating who you truly are, and knowing and loving yourself deepest level. Try to love yourself. Sometimes take a vacation, sometimes read inspiring books. Oh my god, what is happening? Okay, sometimes read some inspiring books written by some of the motivational speaker, or sometimes hear those motivational speaking and know how to do self love. So that is what universe is suggesting you. So here I will end that reading. I'd say that your energy, which is I'm seeing that is seeing here, is Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, and definitely Libra, Aquarius, and Gemini's energy. Some of you guys has names starting with E and T, and then V and S, and P and R. If this would be the names which letters would be there in your um, um, name. So S and K, G and Y, and J and T, and C and A, and O and R, and S and R. So this would be your name, first letter, last letter, or it in this letters would be there in your name, like first or last letter of the name. And date of birth could be number 1, 10, 28, and 19, or number 15, or number 6, 24, and 15. So that could be your date of birth, or 3, 30, 21, or 12, 8, 26, and 17, and number 2, 11, 29, and 20, 20. So that could be your date of birth. So this person is definitely your true soulmate, spiritual soulmate, or your twin flame, twin soul. They are entering in your life, and you are definitely going to enjoy your life later, because I'm seeing that they are entering on winter season, and you would definitely enjoy your love relationship, physical relationship with them, romantic relationship, and definitely there are chances that you will marry them in spring. So that is your great opportunity coming in your life. Thank you guys for watching my video, and let me know if you want me to make more and more English video. Especially this channel, I just make Hindi videos rather than English videos. So if you will suggest, then I'll make more and more English videos. Thank you. Have a blessed day, and God bless you.